Namaskaram and welcome to the channel. So today we'll go with the natural products in the range of body care. Okay, so first of the things, herbal hair oil, Kesh Arogya. Okay, then we have bath powder, generally known as herbal snanam powder or Ojaswini. This is a small pack, 100 grams. It costs 105 rupees. This is just the herbal powder mix of many herbs. This is generally what we will be using when we come for the Shivanga sadhana and the rest of sadhana. When we are going entirely, you are dropping the soaps, the general soaps, and using only the herbal products. So this is powder made from several herbs. We generally known as Ojaswini for us. This is the small pack, 100 grams. With that comes Kesh Jyoti herbal shampoo powder. Okay, this is also a small 100 gram pack. It is also priced 105. Comes with a sealed packing. Okay. Now, tooth powder, again herbal tooth powder. It tastes camphor very much so. So this is one unique thing that we generally don't get to taste. A small pack. It comes at the price of 40 rupees. Okay. Now this is an interesting thing. Many people wouldn't have used. This will last for about 6 months. The last one that I have used, maximum bamboo toothbrush. Comes in 2 sizes. You can see the logo nicely written, Isha Life. Soft bristles. 6 months down the line, half of the bristles were gone. So this comes in 2 sizes. This is the large for adults, and for the kids a small cute one. Bamboo toothbrush. It's priced at 100 and 125. Along with the tooth powder, there is a special tooth powder also. Yeah, this is about costing 60 rupees for us. The next range comes down for the face packs. We have 2. One is 100% natural, Kasturi Manjal, and we have the rose powder for your facial requirements. This costs 50 rupees, 55 rupees, and Kasturi Manjal is 40. The Isha Kanmashi or the
Colossal Kajal.
Yes, okay. Small tin, a pack of it costs 30 rupees for us. This is Kajal for you. And how many of you have seen neem comb?
Neem comb.
So this, there are about 4 sizes, 4 different types. You can have all of this. It's there on our website. So these are the 2 that we have in stock. It costs about 125. It starts from that range. So these are the 2 combs. And one more in the natural range will be the solid perfume. Okay, you need to come in over this.
Oh.
How do we use?
Okay guys, the solid perfume, like most of us might have used liquid perfumes and other kind of perfumes. So the solid perfume, it'll be like a wax kind of thing. So what you do is you take a little bit of the wax, apply it on your pulse points, like over here or over here behind your ears, and it will exude a very nice fragrance. Okay. So that's it. I think each pack will last you around 30 to 40 days. It's superbly packed, and there is an awesome art over here. Like, it's so beautifully done.
I'm not able to zoom. Hold on.
Not zoom in. Like,
Okay, fine.
Screen and touch
Okay, okay.
So you can see the beautiful artwork. So I think this would be an awesome gift if you have men in your life or ladies. You can give them This is awesome. This costs 125 rupees, and we have like 2 fragrances.
Yes, so I think one is Ayurveda and other is Relax. There are about 4 or 5 ranges. You can find that on the website. That's the 100% natural, and apart from these we have the rest of the body care. So we'll show you umpty number of collections for the soaps, for the handmade soaps. So today we have charcoal, red sandal, soap nut. These are all 125 grams handmade soaps of the Panchabhuta range. Okay, so we have charcoal and red sandal, soap nut, 3 of them we have today. Also we have the Eladi, Nalpamaradi and Kumkumadi. Those are also the handmade soaps. Okay, all of these I mean, here in our Kerala climate, yes, coconut oil is just oozing out. Okay, then we have the newly released herbal toothpaste.
Yes.
Comes in a beautiful paper packing. It's sealed in this. So this is Ayurvedic solution herbal toothpaste. This is a 150 gram pack, costs 150 rupees, and a smaller pack for you to try, 50 grams.
Traveling pack.
Traveling pack, yes, okay. So this also we have today. Then the first thing that I ever experienced with Isha, staying at Nalanda over there, was the refreshing honey gel. So very soft on the body. This is the shower gel. This is refreshing honey gel. This is SLES and paraben free. Okay. We have along with it the hair conditioner, shampoo, rose and sandal. We have neem, amla and henna. Of the shampoos, I think yes, in stock, only these 2. The rest of them you can check it out on the Isha Life website. Okay, we have the hair conditioner, camphor and vetiver. So this is one thing for those having trouble with the dandruff, Kaya Kalpam Thailam for you. For those who want to grow hair, Neela Bringadi. We have, this is anti dandruff. We have Neela Bringadi for hair growth. So this range of body care is ready for shipping abroad. Okay.
All the products?
Most of them oils we can ship, bath powders yes, toothpaste yes, coconut oil yes. So shampoos is one doubt that we may not be able to ship, but rest of them we can ship. So this is all from the House of Bath Care, Body Care. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the channel.
Yes.
Yeah, that will do.
Yes, that will do. Finally, Somana said it for me. Thank you. Thank you, Somana. So, take care. Bye.
Namaskaram.
Hey, hope you guys enjoyed the video. So there are a lot more parts of the video where Somnath talks about a lot more products that Isha Life is offering. So I'll be putting it out soon, very soon. So I just want to tell you guys that all the products that are shown and not yet shown are available in the Isha Life website in India and also in the offline stores around the country. So if you are in anywhere in India, you can definitely buy the products online. Like in most of the pin codes, it is delivered. And just in case if it is not available, that this ishalife.com is not delivering to your place, then definitely reach out to Somnath. But other than that, always buy from the Isha Life website. I think that will be easy for you guys. And also, even if you are abroad, we also have a lot of Isha Life stores abroad in a lot of countries, and also the websites also are available. So please make sure that you buy the products locally. In case if the products are not available there and they are not able to ship it to you or something like that happens, then you reach out to Somnath and then we can see how to make it happen to you. So all the websites are linked in the description. Means I'll try to find the websites. I do not know all the websites, but I'll try the maximum websites and I'll link it in the description. So one thing that I want to tell you is, like, whenever you buy a product from Isha Life, you need to know that most of the proceeds, I think almost fully, goes to the Isha Outreach Program, which works for the welfare of the people in villages in the rural parts of Tamil Nadu. So wherever you are, in whichever city you are, we all want to contribute to villages, we want to help, we want to take part in rural upliftment, but we are not able to. So if that is something that you want to do, just by buying these products and replacing the existing products that you buy, like Isha Life has so much range of products that can cover anything and all of your needs in your daily life. So if you can slowly replace your products with Isha Life products, it will in turn help the volunteers who are working in the Isha outreach programs to make things happen there. And also, last but not the least, again the disclaimer that yes, I have a tie-up with Somnath Anna, so if you buy products from him, it in turn helps me in a big way to making content and keeping this sustainable. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. So do reach out to Somnath Anna if you want to. And last but not the least, subscribe to the channel. Like or dislike is fine, but subscribe is important. So thank you guys. Take care. Namaskara.